Tensor. Now, Tensor's an NFT marketplace for Solana. The thing about Tensor, right? There is not much right now where you would, particularly with price action, where you go, there's a lot to like here. But NFT sales are starting to climb. Solana's been the most innovative blockchain in the past year. It's had the most growth. They've had the meme coin revolution. I think if we're going to see an NFT revolution, I think Solana's probably the place it's coming, and Tensor could be a big beneficiary of that, and the price could do very well. So I want to talk about where this can go. Before I get into it though, if you are new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I actually did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up these coins. They were coins that I thought were going to make me a lot of cash. You can see what they were worth when I recorded and released the videos. If you'd have popped $100 into them when I released the vids and sat on them for 15, 16 months and then sold them, you'd have been able to sell at these prices, and these are what your profits would have been. So 100 into each in under a year and a half would have netted you over 123 grand in profit. Now, in under a year and a half, that's pretty spectacular. Thing is you don't have a year and a half to sort your portfolios out. We're in a bull cycle right now. We're coming up to October. October is known as Uptober for a reason in crypto. And if you're not happy or confident with the cryptos you own, get onto copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run where I share my entire portfolio with my members. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell and the price I'm going to do it at. This means my members make the exact same profit as me. The added bonus is, of course, they've got no work to do. And if you go onto the site, you'll see what my members have earned. You can read their testimonials. You can see our successes. It's all public record, so you can verify it all online. And if you like what you see, guys, maybe try out the service, especially before this market goes parabolic. Now, as you can see, Tensor's not exactly been around that long. The coin itself, launched in April of this year, did pretty well, ran up to a couple of bucks, $2.45 to be exact. Since then, obviously, price action has been piss poor. Now, Tensor is the largest NFT marketplace on Solana. 60 to 70% of Solana NFT volume flows through Tensor's marketplace protocols every single day. Tensor launched in July of 2022 and gained momentum for offering fast and pro NFT trading experience on Solana. It rose to the #1 marketplace spot in less than a year. Since then, the vast majority of NFT collectors and traders use Tensor as their daily NFT marketplace, as it offers the widest coverage of the newest NFT projects on Solana. Now, Tensor is already on all the big exchanges, so it isn't getting a listing bounce. So that's one thing certainly going against it. Let's see if we can get some overall NFT stats. You know what's annoying on this is you don't have an NFT marketplace by volume here, but there are plenty of sites where we can have a look. So NFTs. So let's go Solana. No, we can't do that. So chains. Okay. Right, lots of NFTs. I'm not a fan of NFTs, by the way, guys. Right, we'll come back to that. So NFT sales. So NFT sales have climbed 7.33%, which is solid. It's not amazing, but it's solid. They had a boost this week with sales climbing by 7.33%, totaling 77.13 million. The number of NFT sellers skyrocketed by 95%, while buyers surged 137%. This is a very recent article. After several weeks of sluggish sales, NFTs made a comeback between September 14th and 21st. Ethereum led the charge, bringing in 23.62 mil. Though sales on Ethereum-based NFTs dipped. Solana followed closely, raking in 16.78 million, which was up by a whopping 36.5%. Now, Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin accounted for the majority of the sales. Although Mythos and Blast did see their highest growth in the past week as well. Now, as I've said, I think there is a lot of potential here for Yeah, let's open up. So I think there is a lot of potential for region blocked. So irritating. All right, fine. I think there's a lot of potential for Tensor to do well because we've seen so much growth in Solana. I want to show Tensor stats. Okay, so here we go. DAP Radar, pretty good for this. Best NFT Solana marketplaces. So as you can see, in terms of traders, Magic Eden and Tensor are comfortably ahead of everything else. In terms of volume, Tensor, there is basically no difference. And again, like statistics wise, not bad. In fact, more sales have occurred on Tensor, slightly less traders by about 100 people. But where this could be very good for Tensor is going to be based upon an NFT surge, an NFT, revolution, whatever you want to call it. And the reason for that is kind of simple, right? It's an NFT marketplace. It's designed, like, the only people that are going to go on there are traders. And one thing with Tensor is they have grant systems in place to try and widen the offerings and the options for Tensor. They have developers as well, so where developers can actually play around, and is their developer hub where they can all have chats and stuff as well. There's recipes and guides for how to do everything. I actually think they're really well prepared if we're going to see a really significant move in NFTs. Now that's a big if. If we don't see NFTs have that kind of year that they had in 2021 again, then Tensor won't do very well. But with Solana this past year, Solana has led the meme coin revolution. I kind of view NFTs like meme coins. I think they're pretty useless right now. But if people are interested in them, their use case is making money. It's kind of that simple, right? NFTs are far away from what they will inevitably be. But if a meme, and it's such a big if, but if we see a meme coin narrative take hold, an NFT narrative take hold, if we see that excitement once again, and maybe it's going to take a celebrity rub of some kind of, I don't know, another Bored Ape kind of thing, maybe we start seeing that. But a lot of developers seem to be going to Solana at the moment. Solana seems to be the place to go. I think Tensor can do really, really well. If we do see that NFT surge, maybe it's just going to require some sort of NFT that makes everyone laugh, that gets people engaged. I don't know. A P. Diddy one at the moment. That's quite interesting. So maybe that, I don't know. And if it works, I think Tensor can really move. I think it can really, really move. Because circulating supply is 125 million. So if we have an NFT revolution, surge, whatever you want to call it again, and we start seeing the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars of trading that we were seeing back in 2021, Tensor should be able to get a good foothold in the NFT marketplace, and we might see this get to around $4. This could break its previous all-time high. $4 puts it at $500 million market cap. If we're seeing hundreds of millions of dollars a day, and that's what it's got to be, a day, Tensor can do that. But otherwise, I'm not fully convinced. Big upside is the unlock schedule is pretty much fine. There's not going to be a huge release until April of next year, and then obviously there'll be a dump because those are investors and core contributors, so they're going to dump. But until that point, there's potential for this to move. But again, I mean, this would be quite a speculative bet, because in all honesty, my perspective on NFT is pretty obvious. I think they're pointless and useless right now. I don't think they're anywhere close to what they need to be, other than the gaming ones. The ones that actually apply within a game are cool. Otherwise, and I could see personally, if more people are moving towards my train of thought around NFTs, then maybe we're not going to see much at all happen. But I don't know, celebrity rub might just be enough once again that we see a huge surge in NFTs, and then from there, Tensor is going to be a very, very good bet. But the best thing to do in terms of how to figure that out is keep an eye on how the NFT statistics day by day are changing. Are we starting to see surges in NFT sales? Are we starting to see, it ticking up on a daily basis or ticking up on a weekly basis? Because if we are, then it may be round the corner that we're going to see another surge, and that's when Tensor could do very, very well. But otherwise, I would probably avoid it personally. And I'd avoid it because I don't like NFTs. But yeah. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. If you were, of the chains that are around right now, do you think Solana is bound to be the one that has if there's going to be an NFT surge, do you think Solana is going to be the one that has the NFT surge, or do you think there's going to be another chain? Naturally, I think you've got to go with Solana, but I'd love to hear the perspectives. Share in the comments. And guys, look, we are in a bull cycle right now. If you are not happy with the cryptos you own or confident in them, get something done about that now, because October is known as Uptober in crypto. And the reason for that is it's always been a good month for crypto. We've had rate cuts. China are now money printing. If you're not confident in the coins you own, it's probably because they're not going to make any money. And if you get onto copymycrypto.com, on there you will see what my members have earned. You will see the successes that we have had. You can read their testimonials. It's all public record. Copymycrypto.com is where I share with my members the coins that I own. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm buying or selling and the price I'm doing it at. So my members copy along, make the same profit with no work. And again, if that sounds good to you, check out the site, read through it all, verify it all, and if you like what you see, guys, try it out. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.